my name is Jim from All American Water, and what we're going to do today is show you what an airlock tank is. We had a customer saw some of our videos on YouTube, and the way I described the airlock tank, he figured out that's what he had, and he called us, and actually we're at his house. It's Jeremy here in Newark, Texas. And so he's taken the video for me, and we're going to use his system to show you what it really looks like. Now in the video I said typically when you have an airlock tank, you're going to get air in the lines in the house, and he said he experienced that. And then I said if you shake your tank, it's going to be light. So you can see that this tank is really light. That's because it's full of air. So a couple of things that you can do as a homeowner before you call us, or you may not even want to call us. You can take a 9/16" wrench and take your pressure gauge off. Now when I take this off, it's going to be really loud. And as I make the video, you're probably going to want to fast forward through this loud part, but just for the sake of not having to cut and paste, we're going to do it like that. The reason why it's airlocked is because the air volume control valve here doesn't work for whatever reason. This is what we're going to replace it with, and when the way it works is there's air in the tank, and air would go out this hole right here. Well, when the water comes up and touches this little lever, it plugs off the hole, and then the air is compressed from right here up to about there. So if you get more air in it than you need, and you've got 30 pounds of pressure on it, as this falls, air is going to escape through there so you don't get an airlock tank. And usually it's debris, iron, if you've got iron in your well, those are some things that will cause this problem. It also looks like it may have been leaking at one time and somebody screwed it in. If you screw those in too far, it won't let any air out, and that will be another problem that you'll have. So when I take this off, it's going to spew a lot of air. We're going to also leave the pump on because I might not be able to take this air volume control valve off with it as light as it is. I'm just going to put some water in there and use that for leverage. And fortunately on this pressure switch on this side there's a little handle that I can raise up, and it will disconnect the contacts when this gets some water in it, so I can have some leverage and I don't have to go over to the breaker panel and shut off the electricity. So plug your ears. You're going to want to hold on to the pressure gauge too, because this has got 50 pounds of pressure on it, so it's going to be kind of explosive.
I can turn the breaker off if you need.
Well, it didn't work. Alright, I'm going to step over and turn the breaker off. The little lever on the pressure switch didn't work, so now we're going to be faced with another issue.
Should be in the big one. Down on the bottom. Excuse my mess.
Don't worry about Jeremy's mess.